Hello everyone, I'm Miss Yanti. We are group 9. Today, we were going to share a short story about game-based learning focusing on quizzes. And so here, I'm not alone. Of course, I'm with my teammates. So let me introduce me and my team. My name is Veronica Tiara with my last identity number 075.
And my name is Alifa Anizahra with the last identity number 056. And my name is Nadra Fitra Nazifa with my last identity number is 090.
Our goal is to make you guys knowing better about quizzes as a game-based learning. So, let's get started.
Okay guys, so I'm the first presenter who will explain to you what is game-based learning. So, many learning media are available for teacher to use in the classroom. One example is game-based learning media, which can be used to deliver learning materials in a more engaging way, according to Dewi Siki. Game-based learning has strong potential as an effective learning medium because it can stimulate both visual and verbal components. Therefore, quizzes can help encourage student motivation and improve their learning outcomes. Okay, so now let's connect to quizzes. What is quizzes? Quizzes is gamified digital platform that can be used to help educators conduct interactive and enjoyable learning and assessment activities for students. Quizzes can assess with various learning activities by 1. Is providing more than 30 million activities such as quizzes, lessons, and worksheets that have been created and used by other educators. And the second is creating or editing new or exciting assessment. And the last is content available for all school levels. The material we create in quizzes can also be accessed by educators or students from various devices, and we can also obtain data reports from the assessment we create or use. Through quizzes, elementary, middle, high school, and student, and even university student can work on quizzes, tests, and other types of questions prepared by teacher. The question types can include multiple choice, essay, and polling. The system also randomizes questions automatically to reduce cheating.
Continuing what Nanda says before, here's that you can get about benefit of quizzes as a learning media. First, supports teachers in learning the material. The features in quizzes allow teachers to review the learning materials before teaching. With better mastery of the content, teachers can deliver lessons more clearly and effectively. Second, makes question creation easier. Quizzes provides helpful features for creating questions. Teachers can add multiple choice, essay, or polling questions, as well as illustrations such as image, charts, and tables to support the learning content. Third, measure students' competency progress. Quizzes can be used as an evaluation tool in the form of a game so students do not feel stressed during assessment. It also provides downloadable statistical reports that help teachers evaluate learning anytime and anywhere. Fourth, develop students' competitive spirit. Quizzes show scores immediately after students answer questions. This real-time scoreboard can encourage healthy competition and increase student engagement during the learning process.
Okay, next we move to how to use quizzes as a teacher. 1. Create an account and profile. Register at quizzes.com and set up your profile.
2. Design assessment objectives. Determine what you want to measure. Concept understanding, quick practice, pre-test, or post-test, etc. 3. Create a quiz. Arrange question, multiple choice, true or false, short answer, a time when settings, image or audio if necessary. 4. Set gamification option. Enable leaderboards, power-ups, ranking display, automatic answer explanations. 5. Share the code or link and clear instructions. Explain how to join, the time limit, and the purpose of the quiz. Next, how to use quizzes as a student. 1. Join the session. Open quizzes.com or the app. Enter the game code or link provided by the teacher. 2. Read the instructions and set up your device. Check your internet connection. Turn on the sound if the questions have audio or image. 3. Take the quiz within the time limit. Answer appear on the screen. If there is an automatic explanation, read it to learn immediately. 4. Monitor your ranking, but focus on learning goals. Check the leaderboard for motivation, but prioritize understanding the question. 5. Use the results for learning. Review incorrect answer, revisit the material, or discuss with your teacher or classmates.
So the last topic will be explained by me, the relationship between quizzes and educational technology. First, quizzes support a game-based learning approach that has been proven to increase active participation and learning outcomes among students. The second is quizzes integrate gamification elements such as points, time, and leaderboard to encourage engagement and create an enjoyable digital technology-based learning experience. And the last is quizzes reflect sociocultural theory by utilizing learning communities and leaderboard feature as social scaffolding that encourage motivation through encourage and healthy.
And that's a wrap, guys. Before we end here, the conclusion is, Quizzes is more than just an online quiz platform. It's a powerful educational technology tool that makes learning more interactive, enjoyable, and effective. Through gamification, it helps students stay motivated while giving teachers meaningful data to support learning. So, thank you guys for listening and have a nice day!